Buying your first home in Pennsylvania? Here are 3 things you should focus on to choose the right home. Location matters most. Think about your daily life, commute, schools, shopping, and community vibe. A great home in the wrong area can quickly lose its charm. Space for today and tomorrow. Ask yourself, will this home fit your needs in the next 5 to 7 years? Look at bedrooms, storage, and potential to grow, condition and costs. Don't just look at the price tag. Pay attention to the roof, heating, plumbing, and major repairs. A cheap house can turn expensive fast. Your first home is more than a purchase, it's an investment in your future. Take your time, ask questions, and choose wisely. Any type of help related to real estate like buying, selling, investing, renting in Pennsylvania, just give a call to your neighborhood realtor, MD Zahid Hassan. Cell 445-200-8500.